Look at who I found it. Who is that? That's you, Alice? Beautiful. Beautiful creature. Look at her there. And there is gazebo nice. And there she is. Look at this beautiful girl. She started dress up because they said today is 75 and tomorrow supposed to be close. So she getting ready for cold tomorrow. Right, Stumpy? Beautiful creature.
Watch where you step. You're balanced if you have to jump back.
Me or her? Beautiful. You see? Beautiful head, green one. That's the more nicer animal in the planet. Right, Sandy?
Yep.